Hey guys, in this one, I'm going to show you how to add this really cool custom photo widget to your home screen in iOS 14. You can see it takes up this really cool amount of space and you can actually have it cycle through all the photos that you want. So first thing I'm going to do is actually going to get rid of this and then show you how to actually get the app. So we need this app, the photo widget app. So if you go just to the App Store, you can go and search for photo widget. It's going to come right up. Photo widget, press search, and we should come up with the app that I've got. Here it is, photo widget simple. You can see you can pretty much add anything you want in your home screen. So I've already got it, but you can go ahead and download it. Then what you have to do is go into the photo widget app and add up to 30 photos that you want to actually use. So you can press the plus button. It's going to go through to basically your photos. Then you can just one by one add in. So press plus again, go down, just add a couple in, as many as you want. I'm going to add 3 in here just randomly. Once that's done, you can actually swipe out of the app, then long press on the home screen anywhere, press the plus button in the top left-hand corner, and then choose photo widget. As you can see here, you have 3 sizes, this small one, this medium one, and then also the really big one. Let's choose this small one for now. So I'm going to click add widget, and that's literally added right on the home screen. I can then press and hold and pretty much drag it wherever I want on the home screen. I can press done to complete it. Basically that will swipe through all of your images, but you can go to the photo widget, come up to the settings here and change it. This is really important. Photo refresh interval. It's actually on never by default, but you can change it to 5, 10, 30 minutes or even once a day in there. That's pretty much it. Otherwise it won't refresh. You can swipe that down, add any images that you want up to 30, and then it will refresh through your images on a really big widget in the home screen. I think it looks really cool. You might want to try it too. If the video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.